Welcome back traders, another day, another challenge. Today I'm here to show you how I use AI trading bot to stay ahead in the game. This isn't your typical trading session. I will show you my behind the screen recordings with every signals. This bot is about to show you why it's the future of trading, analyzing, predicting and delivering results with unmatched precision. Let's waste no time and get started. Alright, generated its first signal. You can see behind the scene on your screen. What makes this bot special? It's not just about the accuracy, it's about the speed, intelligence and adaptability. While most traders are stuck overanalyzing or guessing, this bot scans the market in real time and gives me additional signals. All I have to do is follow its lead. Let's see how this first trade plays out, and there it is, a strong start just as I expected. And in this video I have to start 1K challenge. It is secret. Trading isn't about luck or random guesses, it's about working smart with tools like this AI bot. It monitors market trends, predicts market movements and adapts instantly to changing conditions. Right now it's signaling another opportunity. This one looks strong, so I'm diving in, and just like that, another win. The beauty of this process is simplicity. Follow these signals, stay disciplined and watch the results roll in. And there you have it, another session powered by the smartest trading tool on the market. In this session, I have reached 25k in total balance. If you're tired of inconsistent results, if you're ready to stop guessing and start trading with confidence, this is your chance. The link is in the description and in the comment section below. Trust me, this bot isn't just software, it's just your trading partner, your edge in the market. Start today and I will see you at the top. Meeting you tomorrow to make 1k challenge. Thank you for joining me, and as always, trade smarter, stay disciplined, and take care. Bye for now.